How to play Sea of Thieves with friends on Steam and Xbox. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer and let's get right into this tutorial. So guess what? Here's the good news. Sea of Thieves actually offers full crossplay functionality between your PC, that is Steam, and your Xbox. Now in order to do so, you have to adjust a couple of options. Now firstly, if you have your Xbox Live, you need to open up and log in into your Xbox Live. From there, you need to adjust some of the settings. For this, you need to select the invite to game or join game option depending on if they are already playing with you or not. If they are already added in your gameplay, you can ignore this step. Next, in your Steam, you need to open up the Xbox app settings and ensure the privacy allows online interaction and receiving invites from anyone outside of Xbox Live friends. You can check out privacy option in your game once you have launched your Sea of Thieves. Now, you can also configure for your gameplay using your Xbox controller in game settings, or you can also configure in your Steam as well. Just make sure that you have toggled on the Xbox controller input in your Steam. Once you have done that, you can easily play with your friends on your Steam and your Xbox. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.